Hello friends, this video I am going to explain circular number 172 dated 6th July. It clarifies or gives clarity on the blocked credit, a proviso to the block credit. Actually there are two provisos. So the first clarification is subclause 3 of clause B of subsection 5 of section 17 of the CGST Act. Now, what is this? I just first tell what is the provision and then we can discuss on what is the clarity which the circular gives. Now, the 17 section, as everybody knows, section 17.5 is the blocked credit. So, this goods or services, you cannot take the input tax credit. So, what section 17 subsection 5 clause B says is there are three items. So one is, the first item is foods and beverages. All these items input tax credit is not available. Foods and beverages, outdoor catering, beauty treatment, health services, cosmetics and plastic surgery, leasing, renting or hiring of motor vehicles, vessels or aircraft referred to in clause A or clause AA except when used for the purpose of specified therein. The second is membership of a club, health and fitness center, and third is travel benefits extended to employees on vacation such as leave or leave travel concession. So in these three situations, input tax credit not allowed. After this third clause, there is a proviso which has been there which says, provided that the input tax credit in respect of such goods and services shall be available where it is obligatory on the part of the employer to provide such services to the employee. So if it is obligatory, then this input tax credit will be available. But this is coming after 1, 2, 3. After 3, this proviso is coming. So there was a confusion whether this proviso is applicable only for the clause 3, which is travel to the employees or leave travel concession, or it is applicable to all the three clauses 1, 2, 3. So now this circular has clarified, telling this clause, since as per the 28th GST Council meeting, it has been clarified in the press release that scope of the input tax credit is being widened and it would now be made available in respect of goods or services which are obligatory for an employer. So what they have clarified is this proviso is applicable for all the three clauses and it's not restricted to the third clause. So if anything which is obligatory on the part of the employer, input tax credit will be allowed. So this is the first clarification which they have given. The second clarification which they give is regarding the same clause B. If you read the clause B, the first subclause, it says foods and beverages, outdoor catering, beauty treatment, health services, cosmetics and plastic surgery, leasing, renting. See, if you see leasing, comma, renting or hiring of motor vehicle, vessels and aircraft. So all these items what they have mentioned, input tax credit not available. So foods and beverages, comma, outdoor catering, comma, beauty treatment, comma, health services, comma, cosmetics and plastic surgery, comma, leasing, comma, and then renting and hiring of motor vehicles. So this leasing, when they say comma, there was confusion whether leasing means leasing of only motor vehicles is not allowed or any leasing is not allowed. So what they have again clarified in the circular is leasing only for the purpose of motor vehicles is actually not allowed. All other leasing is allowed. So it is clarified that leasing refers to leasing of motor vehicles, vessels and aircrafts only and not to leasing of any other items. So this again one more clarity has come where leasing, any input tax credit or leasing of any other item other than motor vehicle will be allowed. And lastly, one more clarification has come regarding the perquisite given by the employer to employees whether GST is applicable or not. So the circular says, as per Schedule 3, services by an employee to an employer is not covered under the definition of supply. It's not a supply of services, it's not a supply of goods. So any perquisite given by the employer to the employee is for the services which he has rendered for the course of employment, and it will not come under the purview of supply, and it is excluded under Schedule 3. So any perquisite which is under the employment contract will not be covered under GST. So this clarity has been given as per the circular number 172. Thank you.